Now in this video we are going to take a look at our other elements, and you can see we have basic, we have pro, we have general, and then we have power pack elements as well. For now let's take a look at general, and you can see in the general we have image box, icon list, progress bar, and these counters. So for now let's choose progress bar. And first of all, let's create a new section, and I'm going with 2 columns, and in first column I'm going to place an image, and I'm going to change the image to this one like this. And now I'm going to add a heading right here. I'm going to copy this heading and then paste it right here. Now first of all, I'm going to select the column and change the vertical alignment to middle. Okay, now I'm going to change the heading to overview of my skills, and then in the style I'm going to increase the size, something like this. And now let's add the progress bar here. Simply drag and drop this progress bar right here. And now you can simply add your progress bar. For example, I'm going to change the title to WordPress, and here you can change the type like info, success, warning. For now let's change this one to default, and I'm going to change, here you can control the percentage. I'm going to change the percentage to the 100, and the inner text, I'm going to remove the inner text, and you can see you have option of display percentage as well. And in the style I'm going to change the color to green. Okay, and now in the title style I'm going to change the text color to black, and for the typography I'm going with Poppins font again and increase the size little bit. And I'm going to select this heading and change the alignment to left. Now simply duplicate these skills and click on any skill right here and change this one to elemented, and you can simply decrease the little bit of percentage. And then in the title progress bar I'm going to change the color to something like this. Again I'm going to add another thing, blogging or maybe marketing, and change the color to orange. And then in the section area I'm going to advance, and again I'm going to add 50 padding to the top and 50 padding to the bottom. And I'm going to change the background color to little bit of gray, and simply click on this update button. And now you can see we have created these progress bar. Now let's take a look at our website, and you can see when someone scrolls to your website and these progress bar will appear.